Yeah, good afternoon, students. In the previous class, we had a discussion on pointers and how the pointers are used for accessing of one-dimensional arrays. Now, today we would like to discuss on how the pointers are used for accessing of the character arrays, that is strings. Now, I would like to share my screen. Hope my screen is visible to you. So, the topic for discussion is pointers and character arrays. So summary of the previous classroom discussion topic is that pointers are the variables which are used for storing of the addresses, and they are also called it as address type variables. And the address which is assigned for every variable is a unique address, and pointer variables are used to access the array variables because the memory allocated for the array variables is sequentially allocated. So we can use the pointer arithmetic like pointer plus 1 or ptr plus plus. We can use this pointer arithmetic operation to forward the pointer one location after another in this array of elements that we discussed previously in the CDT. Now the lecture objective for this today's session is that pointers and character arrays. So this session will develop the students' knowledge on accessing of arrays using pointer variables in C. So the outcome of this today's session is that after completion of this session, students will be able to develop the code in C language to access the array variables using pointer concept. So a pointer is used to create the strings. So pointer variables of character type are treated as strings. So we can do like this: char star str is equal to hello. That means str is a character pointer. So it creates a string and stores its address in this pointer variable str. So the pointer str is now points to the first character of the string hello. So the string created using character pointer can be assigned a value at runtime also. This is very important. So where if you are able to declare a character pointer, then for this character pointer you can assign a string. Okay, so this is possible. So the content of the string can be printed either by making use of printf with percentages or puts we can use to output the string onto the screen. So str is a pointer to the string and also the name of the string. So therefore we do not need to use the indirection operator star. Fine. So because of this str is a pointer to the string and also the name of the string, we can directly use that string name. You need not require to use star before this. So this is an example how we are accessing the character array. So we are trying to find this the length of this string. So I am taking it as a character array, one dimensional character array, and we are declaring a pointer p1 char star p1, and then p1 is equal to str. So that means we are declaring and initialization of the pointer variable p1 here, and star p1 is not equal to null character, then count plus plus, and star p1 plus plus. Here what we are doing here is that p1 value we are incrementing now. So like this, here what we are doing here is that we are going up to this pointer p1 pointing to the null character, that is nothing but end of the string. So once you reach to the end of the string, the count value, if you display that, that is nothing but your length of the string. Now this is a reflection spot here. So please try to find the output of the following program. So any idea you have here? So what it is going to print here? It is going to print star p. So it is what it is going to print? It is going to print exactly. It is going to print the character present at this location. And simply if you give here, it is going to print the address value. It is going to print. So it is going to print the address. Okay, this is going to print the address, and whereas this is going to star p is going to print the character. So p plus plus means you are incrementing the pointer, pointing to the next. Fine. So if you are not able to answer this particular question, please refer to this video and watch the video from the beginning. So what is the output of this following? So this is nothing but it is a character pointer. So this is a array of pointer concept. So we will like to discuss here. These are the strings, three different strings we are trying to store in a array of character pointers, and we are trying to print that. So this is a of I, a of as I equal to 0, I less than 3. So it is going to print all these three strings it is going to print. Fine, this is an example on array of character pointers. Now LOs are revisited here. After completion of this session, students will be able to develop the code in C to access array variables using the pointer concepts. So summary of this session is that pointer variables are also used to access the array variable values. So since for array variables memory is allocated sequentially, we can use the pointer arithmetic to access the individual elements of the array. And the pointer plus plus will move the pointer forward. So this is the lecture level practice problem. So develop a C program to copy one string into another string using the pointers. So these are the further references on this particular topic. Okay. So thank you students for patient watching of this video.